everyone, and welcome to our channel. We are heading to the Stamford Museum and Nature Center today. We are exhausted. Day 10 of that little one back there, waking us up at 5 a.m. and I think we are both feeling it, but we've decided it is time to get out of the house. It is a beautiful day. It is so hot, even though it is fall, which is very frustrating. And we are going to see some animals and just let that one just run around and get his energy out. And let's hope that he decides to sleep tomorrow morning until 7:30 so that we can also get sleep. Yes, maybe you should take a nap back there. No? Okay.
I'm feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. Coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop.
Hey, did you like looking at the dinosaur? No? Not a fan?
Scary.
Okay, well we're gonna go look at animals because this one was not a fan of the fake ones.
But I just want to celebrate.
This kid is having more fun just walking around here than looking at the animals or the face paint. Goes to show you don't need much to entertain a toddler.
There's nothing like feeling alive.
Great day at the Stamford Museum and Nature Center. Highly suggest heading over there for some fall activities. It was pretty cool, but the dinosaur really took a number on our son. He was not a fan. Long day of fall and friend activities, and now we are going home after being stuffed from the Stamford Diner. See you soon, everyone.